Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is the July look from the Too Faced, what is this called? Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette. I forgot what it was called. So let's just open it up. Whoops. July says, life's a peach. Alright. Peachin'. Keep the party poppin' with a sweet and peachy look that'll send them, wow, I can't read, that'll send them all into a warm, fuzzy frenzy. Alright. So if you want to see how I did this look with these instructions, these wonderful instructions, then keep on watching. Okay. I need to zoom you in more. You're not close enough. Much better. Okay. Step one, I gotta open this again, is highlight brow bone with Snow Day. Okie doke. So Snow Day is the white, and we've discussed this before. This is Snow Day, and it's more actual white versus Marshmallow, which is more of a yellowy white. So we're going to use the white today. White. Alright, highlight your brow bone. Easy. Nothing can go wrong there. Step two is to press sleigh bells onto inner half of lid. Actually, wait, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to switch step 2 and step 3. So step 3, which I'm going to do next, is blend Love Actually onto outer lid and into crease. Okay, so Love Actually is this like mauve, like a deep mauve shade. Like it's not quite purple, like it's still mauve, but it's not a soft mauve. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to put this on my outer corner, outer like third-ish area, I guess, and through the crease. And I'm going to build this up because this is not a deep kind of color in any way. So I'm going to build it up to get some kind of depth out of it. Alright, that's good, I guess. Okay, now we can go back to step 2, which is to press sleigh bells onto inner half of lid. So sleigh bells, I'm pretty sure we've used before also, is this peach shimmery shade. We have definitely used sleigh bells before because I'm pretty sure I said that it looks like another shade in Sweet Peach palette. So there's that. Like kind of looking at the palette, seeing as we're already in July now, there's definitely a lot of shades that we have not touched yet. So there's that. Alright, so I'm going to take sleigh bells and just pop this on the lid here that we've left blank. Just like that. And I think that's making the Love Actually shade look a little bit more peach in comparison rather than purple. So that's nice. Okay. Slap that on there. Great. Beautiful. Wonderful. Step 4 is to line lash line with Pinecone. Okay, Pinecone, which we've used before because I can see my brush stamps in it, is this really deep purple. It looks more purple in real life than it looked on camera, but it is a really deep purple. So I'm just going to line my lash line with that. I don't know, the theme's supposed to be peach, and I'm just like putting purples on, I feel like. I don't know. I'm not going to do like a wing or anything, because first of all, it doesn't tell me to make a wing. And second of all, I don't have the patience for that, so I'm just going to line my lash line. Just like that. So that's all the eyeshadow steps that the instructions have given me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of, I think, Love Actually, which is that outer corner and crease color, on the lower lash line. I think that's it. That's it. That's all I got. Because if I put the Pinecone shade, then it's just all going to be too dark. So I'm just going to put Love Actually down here, all the way across. And in my eye, like usual. Okay. And then the next stuff I'm going to do off camera, I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then come back to you to do the cheek steps. Okay, so here are the eyes done. Are they pretty? Sure. Is it what I expected? Not really. But alright, let's go back to the face. So the first step is actually a blush step, so I'm going to contour and do my bronzer first. So I'm going to contour with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. I forgot what it was called for a second. I'm sorry, Kevyn Aucoin. So I'm just going to give myself some cheekbones real quick. I just contour with reckless abandon nowadays. I'm just like, yeah, whatever. I know where my cheekbones are. Just kind of slap it on. Move on with your life. I'm going to bronze with chocolate Soleil. A real chocolate Soleil. I will save you my rant this time. Maybe not next time, but this time I will. So just add some color. Okay, now we can go back to our little instructions. Step 5 is apply Will You Marry Me onto cheeks. So that's the blush, which is this peachy shade. This I feel like this, I have some feelings about this blush. This feels or looks like how I wish Orgasm looked on me. I've tried Orgasm from NARS before and it just doesn't do anything for me. But this blush in here is really nice. It's like soft peachy. It's not like, hey, everything's peachy. It's got a hint, a tiny hint of gold without being like, hey, I'm a highlighter. This is what I wish NARS Orgasm was for me. Popping that on. And then the last step is highlight down the nose, Cupid's bow, and cheekbones with #blessed. So highlighter, #blessed. I do like the highlighter in here. It looks like it's going to be like really glittery in the pan, but when you put it on, it's really not that glittery. So that's nice. So cheekbone, up and around the brow. That C-shaped thing that I like. Down the nose. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Alexis, and I love to just pile highlight onto my Cupid's bow. For no reason other than I want to. Beautiful. Okay. There's no lip step, of course. There's never a lip step. She's wearing like the same lip she wears in pretty much every month, a peachy nude. So I'm going to put on the NARS Satin Lip Pencil in Isola Bella. I'm pretty sure I said that wrong. So here's the finished look for July. Is it pretty? Yes. Am I bored? Yes. But it's pretty. That's all that matters. I want the eyes to be peachier, but like when you kind of look at the palette, there's not a lot of peachy in it, so like I guess I understand why this turned out the way it did, but it's fine. It's pretty. I'm not 100% mad at it, but I wanted it to be better. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I was about to do my old outro. No. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!